My name is Mike Clarke, and basically this video is about a petition to the Queen for some mercy in this case, that I can return to England to continue the care that I've given for 17 years of my mother without having to face going to prison for something which we felt we was doing quite lawfully. My mother is today actually 73, and she had an accident in 1995. And was left in a position where she needed care for the rest of her life. I opted to take on board that responsibility.
What would happen to you if you came back to England now?
I would be arrested at the airport and taken off to prison for a 3-month period.
Why would they imprison you?
Because I have published information upon my website trying to gain legal redress for my mother in where I believe funds have been misappropriated.
So what would happen to your mother if you came back to England and were in prison for 3 months?
I assumed that she would be taken into care.
Hello, Anne.
Right.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, I'm all right, thanks, love.
Good. How old are you today?
73.
All right. And what is it you'd like the Queen to do?
I'd like him to be kind to me for now.
And do you want to come back to England?
Yes, I do.
What would happen to you if Mike went to prison?
I'd feel lonely for now.
All right. There'd be nobody to look after you.
No.
It all started with me trying to get some legal redress for my mother on the overcharging on her estate for fees from the Office of the Public Guardian via the deputy, the solicitor, who made promises in the original order, the first general order, that the fees wouldn't infringe upon the capital heads of damages. Well, because I couldn't seem to get any legal redress in the normal way by writing to the Office of the Public Guardian and various other people, I ended up turning to common law and I made a claim against the solicitors under common law, and was going to attach that claim to their houses, and they went then to get an injunction against me under harassment laws, and asked me. The judge declared that was illegal, and I considered it quite lawful. As a result of this, I asked for a jury court and was refused, and the court went ahead in my absence. And eventually, because I didn't remove these things from my website, they deemed it as contempt of court, and I was sentenced to prison in my absence again without a jury court, which I asked for 3 months.
So,
if I went back to England, what would happen to me?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah. I wouldn't.
I'd have got a problem, wouldn't I?
Yeah.
I'd end up going to prison, wouldn't I?
Yeah, and I wouldn't like that.
You wouldn't like that?
No.
So would you like the Queen to say Michael can come back to England without going to prison?
Would you?
Yeah, he could.
Because what would happen if Michael went to prison?
I wouldn't like that.
And what would happen to you?
I don't know what I'd do.